As a top 1% Etsy seller who has sold print-on-demand products, handmade physical items, and digital products, I'm here to tell you that digital products are still hands down the best products to sell online. You only need to create the product once and then list it and sell it on autopilot, giving you the ability to literally make money in your sleep. But where should you start? Digital products come in so many varieties, but don't worry, I'm here to help you zero in on what types of digital products can sell on Etsy to help you create a full-time income and make $100 per day. First up, we have digital calculators. Most of us don't have the time, skills, or know how to calculate profit margins or mortgage rates without the help of a digital calculator. Etsy has a huge digital calculator market for anything from small business bookkeeping spreadsheets to pricing calculators or mortgage interest calculators. Other types of digital calculator examples include recipe cost calculators, which is great for both individuals and businesses in the food industry, home renovation cost planners, debt snowball calculators, travel planners, and Christmas gift planners. This is such a high-ticket digital product if you're handy with spreadsheets and formulas. Our second digital product is resume templates. Many people don't know how to set up an attractive resume, what to include on their resume, or are actually just in a rush to send out as many resumes as possible. Etsy has a major market for resume templates, which users can customize to fit their needs. Everyone looking for a job needs a resume, so this has a huge market. Before creating your first resume, consider what your target audience is. Many resume templates on Etsy either have a very specific style, such as modern or executive, ATS friendly, easily scanned by a job application software, or are industry specific, like a registered nurse or a teacher resume template. Product number 3 is stock photos. If you enjoy photography, this is an amazing opportunity for you. High quality images are in demand for websites, social media, blogs, content creation, and so much more. Etsy sellers list stock photos in styled bundles that instantly uplevel any type of professional or content creator's social media or website. Most people do not have the time to take gorgeous photos, so if you have a good eye for aesthetic images, this is a fantastic evergreen digital product. Next are printable checklists. While digital planners are incredibly popular, many people still love the satisfaction of checking off or crossing off tasks on paper. Printable checklists help people stay organized in all aspects of their lives, such as daily or weekly to-do lists, packing checklists for travel, brain dump checklists, real estate moving checklists, home maintenance checklists, and shopping lists. If you enjoy organization, the possibilities are endless for the types of printable checklists or charts that you can create. Moving on to number 5, we have branding templates for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Entrepreneurs and small business owners are a huge audience for Etsy sellers because they are often stretched for time trying to manage a million different tasks at once. And I can definitely relate to this and bet that some of you can too as well. Business branding templates include products like social media templates, media kits, website themes, logo templates, and so much more. If you have any experience with social media, website design, or running or working for a small business, there's probably a branded template that you can bring to life. Number 6 is digital planner stickers. Digital planner stickers may look like regular stickers, but you can use them to decorate digital planners. After all, just because you prefer a digital planner doesn't mean you don't want to personalize your planner with a cute girl boss digital sticker or a cute fall seasonal set depending on your mood. Digital planner sticker sets are made up of hundreds, even thousands of digital icons that people can then decorate the digital planner with. Strong themes are super important for this digital product, so go into this with a very clear idea of what aesthetic your target audience is actually looking for. Moving to number 7 is educational resources. Teachers and parents are some of the busiest people I know, making it no surprise that educational resources like printable worksheets for homeschooling or lesson plan templates are incredibly popular. If you can create a well-organized product with valuable content, then I highly recommend diving into the world of educational digital products. Language learning materials, printable worksheets, online courses, and even ebooks are all high-value digital products that so many teachers and parents and tutors are more than willing to pay for. At number 8, we have music and sound effects. If you have a good ear for music or sound effects, maybe you've done some video editing before and know what to listen for, or maybe are a musician, look into selling royalty-free music and sound effects. Musicians, content creators, video editors, business owners, and many other groups need royalty-free sounds to use in their products or marketing content, making this a lucrative product. If you don't compose music, then don't fret. AI-generated tracks are another option. All you need is a good ear. Digital patterns is number 9 on the list. Crafters, card makers, and DIY enthusiasts are always searching for new and unique patterns to use in their crafts. If you're not super artistic, I recommend using AI to generate seamless digital patterns that you can sell. The next product is ebooks, which are just like it sounds. These are typically short and sweet digital books sold in 2 primary ways: traditional ebooks and template style. The traditional ebook is one that you would write up and sell to buyers interested in learning some kind of skill from you. For example, if you've freelanced and wanted to share some tips on how you get clients. On the other hand, ebook templates don't require any writing at all. Instead, you'll make an aesthetic, eye-catching ebook design and sell an editable template to your customers. Number 11 is greeting cards, and stationery digital products are templates that people buy to customize their event and then print out and mail. There are so many greeting card template categories, and some just include things like save the date, bridal shower invitations, birthday party invitations, customizable holiday cards, get well cards, monogram stationery, just to name a few. You can also make end product greeting cards, which are already complete. You can either offer customization services and then send each customer their personalized card, or sell cards that are more general, such as Christmas cards or 4th of July cards. On to number 12, we have health and wellness printables. Things like printable meal planners, weight loss trackers, or workout trackers are all popular. Evergreen printables that you can create in Canva, my preferred platform for a more personalized, aesthetically pleasing printable, is what you would want to use. For someone just starting out selling digital products, these are more straightforward products to learn in Canva with, and you'll be helping people simplify their busy lives and stick to their health goals all in one go. Fonts come in at number 13. Unique fonts are a must-have for graphic designers, content creators, or business owners looking to differentiate themselves from other brands. Creating a great font takes more time and research, but once completed, customers will then download the font and use it on their computers for their projects. I've bought number 14 so many times, and it is printable coloring pages. If you are a busy parent like me, you're probably looking for ways to keep your kids entertained, and coloring books can be pricey. So the idea of buying a coloring page or coloring page bundle and being able to print it out as many times as you want is very helpful. I recommend looking into Midjourney, an AI image generation tool that can create beautiful and unique coloring pages in just a few seconds. Don't forget adults with this digital product either. Coloring is a popular way for many adults to unwind after a hard day at work, so consider designing more intricate pages for adults to enjoy too. Number 15 is hugely popular, and that is sewing, knitting, embroidery, or crocheting patterns. If you are a passionate sewer, sell your patterns to those who are either learning to sew and need a little help or looking for inspiration. The oh so popular tumbler wrap is number 16. And I might be biased towards this digital product because I sell them myself, but these fun to create digital products can bring in amazing profits. Buyers purchase sublimation tumbler wraps and then use them to personalize their tumblers. And they need them for literally every holiday, season, hobby, occupation, and trend imaginable. So this digital product has endless possibilities. Last, but certainly not least, look into journaling templates. Journaling is widely popular for many niche topics, from Bible journaling to manifestation to more therapeutic and self-discovery fueled journaling. You can create journaling prompts to help customers work through their thoughts. Just be sure to leave plenty of space for the user to write down their thoughts and feelings. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you are still struggling to create something and you're not sure where to go, be sure to download my free guide, Pixels to Profit. The link will be down in the description below, and thanks so much for watching.